Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Zoho Mail account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to delete your Zoho Mail account, first thing you need to log in. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.zoho.com/mail, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So once you're logged into your account, in the top right corner you'll be able to see your profile icon. Click on it and then click on my account. After that, you'll be taken to your profile page, and once you're on this page you need to click on settings from the left hand side bar, and on the other side the settings page will load. Now on this page you need to scroll down right to the bottom. Right at the bottom there will be an option as close account. So keeping in mind, if you close your account or delete your account, all your history and details will be deleted. If you're sure about deleting your account, click on close account, and then you need to give a reason for deleting your account. So you need to type in a feedback and make sure to give a valid reason, and you need to click on close account. Right on top a link will appear, so you need to click on this, click here, and in order to verify your identity you need to enter in the password. If not, you can also enter in the OTP that will be sent through this particular email. Pin the verification code or the password and click on confirm password. Once you've done this next interface, you've successfully deleted your Zoho Mail account. So in that way you can delete your Zoho Mail account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If the video did help you, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.